Chantal Jouanno née Paul, born 12 July 1969 in Vernon, Eure, France, is a French politician who served as Minister of Sports in the government of Prime Minister François Fillon from 14 November 2010 and 26 September 2011, succeeding to Roselyne Bachelot and being replaced by David Douillet. Before taking office as senator on 1 October 2011, she was a close ally of President Sarkozy and former president of ADEME. Jouanno is a former karate champion, being a 12-time French champion in her category. On 7 March 2010, she became karate French team champion together with her teammates Véronique, Mesnil, Vido and Léna Pyrée. From 21 January 2009 to 14 November 2010, Jouanno served as Minister for Ecology in the second government of François Fillon, succeeding Nathalie Kosciusko-Morizet. As Minister of Sports, Jouanno launched 2 inquiries with the French Football Federation FFF into allegations that the national team coach, Laurent Blanc, and others from the federation had discussed introducing racial quotas at training academies for young French players with dual nationality. In addition to her roles in national government, Jouanno served as regional councillor of Ile-de-France from 2010 until 2017, in response to public outrage over a photo display in Vogue that featured underage girls in sexy clothes and postures. Minister of Health Eure commissioned Jouanno to write a report on the hypersexualization of children in 2011. During the 2012 presidential election, Jouanno suggested if she had to choose between a socialist candidate and a National Front one, she would vote socialist. This comment was interpreted by Sarkozy supporters such as François Fillon as being critical of Sarkozy's attempts to woo National Front supporters. In October 2012, Jouanno announced leaving the UMP party to join the newly created centre-right party UDI, led by Jean-Louis Borloo, as vice president. In 2013, Borloo included Jouanno in his shadow cabinet. In this capacity, she served as opposition counterpart to Minister of Foreign Affairs Laurent Fabius. In the Republicans' 2016 presidential primaries, Jouanno endorsed Nathalie Kosciusko-Morizet as the centre-right party's candidate for the 2017 French presidential election, but later switched to Alain Juppé. In 2017, Jouanno announced her intention to resign from active politics. In March 2018, Jouanno became president of the Commission nationale du débat public CNDP. In January 2019, she announced that she was stepping down from one of her roles associated with this position due to compensation issues that have guiding the national debate in response to the Gilets jaunes movement. This announcement came prior to the commencement on 15 January of the Great National Debate, which was initiated by Emmanuel Macron. As of January 2019, she received €14,666 a month in salary, almost equal to the president's salary.